It's the 22nd of March. There's only one place to be right now, and that's right here at the NEC. So that is the show just getting underway. It's day one here at the Practical Classics Classic Car and Restoration Show. Well, there's certainly plenty here to whet our appetite, so let's have a look round and we'll see what's out there in the Practical Classics Classic Car and Restoration Show. Thanks for joining us again, and if you're new to the channel, great to have you with us. Welcome aboard. Our tour of the halls continues. This is hall 3A and consists of, well, everything really. You'll actually see dealers in here, and there's also the Barnfind feature, which we're going to visit later in this show. And if you like a bit of auction activity, we're going to have sight of the cars that are going to be available for auction at this car show. So if you've never been to the Practical Classics Classic Car and Restoration Show, this is an opportunity for you to see around. As I say, this particular show features hall 3A, but available on the playlist you've got halls 4 and hall 5 as well. If you watch all of those, you'll be able to see your way right through the complete show in less than an hour. It's also a great day out, an opportunity to meet friends and meet up with old acquaintances as well. The thing that I like about this show is it does what it says on the tin. You'll hear sawing and hammering going on in some of the films in the background. That's because it is a very practical show. There's quite a bit of work going on, as you'll see in some of our shows as well. You'll find there's a lot of expertise at the show. If you're working on a project and perhaps up against a brick wall, having difficulties, there is always plenty of people here at the show that you can speak to and maybe get you over that difficulty that you're having with your project. So there's plenty to be going on with. I'll catch up with you at the end. There's dealers in this particular hall as well. You can see some of the cars that are for sale. However, I'm going to leave you to it and I'll catch up with you at the end of the show.
Yeah, the jack will lift it.
They're that high, and then it's got
Dad.
Well, that's it for day one here at the show. Hope you enjoyed it. Our tour of halls 3A, 4 and 5. I'll catch you next time out. Toot toot, peep peep. See ya.
Yeah, because your toes. Hold his hands, Ken.